'Cause I'm slowly breaking down, even when I hold you close. Oh, and if I lose you, I'm afraid I would lose who I gave.
Good morning, guys. Today is what's today? Today Monday. I don't know. I went to sleep at 5 a.m. And yes, honey.
I'm looking and I'm liking.
Liking what? Liking what? What? Liking what?
I'm looking and I'm liking.
You're freaking me out right now. What are you looking at, babe? What are you looking at? Babe, what are you looking at? Look at this hot mess right here.
I'm looking at you.
Looking at who? Why? Why?
Because I'm liking it.
Oh. It's going to be a very interesting day.
Come in?
Madison!
Want me to come in?
No, honey, stay out there. Look at all the, we have 1, 2, 2.5 bags of donation because hubby, where is he? He cleaned out all the closets and stuff. So I have a lot of donation. My sister's coming over today, so you guys are gonna meet baby Jella, my niece. She's been born what, 2 weeks now, and I haven't seen her since. So she's coming today. You guys are gonna see a lot of baby cuteness. So yeah. Anyways, I wanted to go Ray-Dun hunting because I'm looking for a cookie for one of my subscribers.
I'm liking.
And I want to find her cookie and tools. So, good morning. Somebody's doing chores.
I brushed my hair. Yeah,
hold on.
Do ourselves, mommy.
Let me see. Oh, nice. Look at you. Look at you. Good morning. What are you eating?
Noodles.
Noodles? Oh, good morning. Madison! What are you eating? Get that out your mouth. No. No, that's your toy. Your toy here. Madison, your toy is there. Now she's going to be upset. Here. This is your toy. Here. Here.
I don't want my noodles.
Here. Here. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come back this way. Reverse. 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 Come on. No, reverse. This remote is broken. Reverse. Come on. Rewind. Play. Pause. Maddie, come here. Maddie, come. Madison, stop. Stop. Stop, Maddie.
You're going to Mom.
Oh, thank you. Whew. We have to send in the super duper charge bubby. All right.
It's your game. Yeah, never going to bed over there. Wait, after Daddy's coffee.
Say good morning, sunshine. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Say good morning. How my sunshine doing? How my sunshine doing? Good. It's so cute. But hubby's home today. He's right there. Someone said, someone commented on my my grocery haul thing that we use food stamps. Thanks for that observation. Yay. We use food stamps. No. No.
No.
No.
No.
Anyways, I'm not bashing anybody that use food stamps. If you use food stamps, that's what you do. But not everyone is on food stamps. Not because I'm black. You know what I mean? Not because I'm black. Right, honey? Not because we're black and Hispanic doesn't mean that we automatically need to be on food stamps.
Look, it's sinking.
I'm not offended.
I'm only giving you one.
Anyways,
Then you get crazy.
what are you gonna do today, honey? Keep playing. This guy does not have a job. Look at the face. That's okay. That is okay. That's quite okay with me. Because soon we're gonna be bums on food stamps and Section 8. Okay? You did that. You brought that negativity over here. Okay? Okay? Anyways, he's looking for a new job. The one he had, well, the one he went back to. They wanted him to work on Saturday, which is our Sabbath, and we don't do that over here. We don't work on our Sabbath, okay? No, we don't do that. We don't compromise our Sabbath for money. Not for anything, okay? Yes, we don't do that. No, we don't do that. We don't do that.
We don't do that, magic.
Watch God work, okay? Just watch him work. You just have to believe and trust that God will take care of you. If he brings you to a door, he will bring you right through it on the other side, okay? So don't turn back and say, no, I'm not going through that door. No, go straight through that door and go through that door with confidence.
Yep.
Knowing that what's beyond that door is already set up, and you're gonna be okay. You're going to be okay. Anyways, I'm done with my ranting.
Mommy, if I have a little bit.
I'm not cooking today because he's here. He's gonna cook. He's gonna cook.
You got reindeer.
But I don't know. I think this kind of put a halt into our home buying process. We're gonna probably stop the process and then pick up back later, or we'll stop the process and then come back 2 years from now, or we'll stop the process and just keep saving, or we'll stop the process and come back at it a month from now, because he can change jobs. It just has to be in the same field, and he's a driver, so he can find any driving job and he still be okay, as long as the income is still there for the amount that we were requesting, if that makes sense. So yeah, Jaxson has a procedure tomorrow on the 18th.
It's 18.
So yeah.
No, tomorrow.
Anyways, I'm gonna go. Only had 3 hours of sleep, so if I seem tired or look tired, I am tired. I am tired. Take that out your mouth, Madison. I already asked you to take it out your mouth once already. Why do I have to ask you 2, 3, 4, 5 times? No. Take it. Do you want to argue with me, young lady? Do you really want to argue with me? Take it out your mouth. I'm not laughing. Take it out your mouth. It's not for the mouth, baby. Not for the mouth. Give it to me. Give it to me. Come here. I love you. Come here. Kiss a kiss. Kiss a kiss.
Don't freak out.
Go play with Bubby and sis. Go knock it over. Go
Don't you dare.
go knock it over, Maddie.
Don't
The
you
destroyer is coming.
No.
Oh, she's not interested. She is not interested whatsoever. She's gone to Jijin.
Yes.
What are you guys playing?
Giga. No. Giga.
Jenga?
Yeah. If you
Jackson's
let go
going
your
to lose.
hand, if you let go your hand, you're losing. Move your hand. What? Side.
I find our in Destiny's here for
Church.
church on Sabbath. She had she had to do greetings on Sabbath. I didn't even bring my camera. I was so mad at myself.
I told you to.
But her hair, when you flat iron her hair, it will stay like this for days. Like it doesn't go back to curly. It doesn't go back to curly right away. It will take a good month for her hair to go back to curly, and I don't know why.
If I take care of it.
Except for underneath, like right here,
Frizzy.
it gets it reverts back to its original
Don't take that
curl, but everything else stays straight if she takes care of it, like she said. But usually natural hair tends to curl back up really fast when like moisture or anything touches it. Her hair doesn't do that, so I don't know.
Take that.
I don't know. Can someone explain why her hair does that? I don't know. Ooh, which mug you drinking out of, honey? Hello? Ooh, hello. Maddie, what are you doing? Get out of there. Get out of there. Come here. Come here. Come here. You get into everything these days. Come on. Come on. Let's go clean your hand. Come on. Come on. Madison. Madison. Madison, come on. Come on, baby. Good girl. Come on. She wants to walk so bad.
Four's not going to be impossible. Four's not going to be impossible.
You can't go back there.
You know, Jaxson.
Big fat people like we.
Jeez.
Hi, twin sister.
Mommy, I watched my
Don't go for me, please. Juju. Oh my word.
Did you come here?
Go up. Excuse me. Excuse me. Juju. Oh my God.
Mommy.
Shh. Shh. She already frightened already. Watch out. What's on the big one? Oh my word. Oh.
Yeah, wash your hands. Mommy. Mommy.
All this baby cuteness. Hi, Chola.
She's so tiny.
Hi. She is tiny.
Did you wash your hands?
I gotta wash my hands. I'll be right back.
Yes. Sit. Maddie's awake.
Maddie's awake. Have a seat. Sit down.
Oh,
Hi, Maddie.
Hi,
You want to meet your cousin? Maddie, you want to meet your cousin? Leave her. Leave her. Leave her. You want to meet your cousin? Huh? You want to meet your cousin? Huh? Would you like to meet your cousin? Huh?
Hey, don't look at me.
Maddie, would you like to meet your cousin? Yes?
She's bigger than
Would you like to meet the baby that took your space in the family as a baby? Come on. Damn, not the baby anymore.
Oh, mommy. 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 Excuse me, mommy. Baby,
Madison, bring her. Jaxson, can you hold this? Okay.
Hey, let me do it. No. Mommy said me. Madison. Now I can see.
Madison, meet Jola. Jola, meet Madison. She's hot. Get down, Juju.
They're putting Juju
Madison.
Now I can see you, mommy.
Yeah.
Sit. Juju, come here.
Madison,
Stop.
meet Jola.
Sit down. Stop it.
Madison.
Juju, come here. Mommy, I can see you. You saw with Maddie.
In his cage.
With Maddie and you and her. Why is he in his cage?
I just want to be able to wear my clothes.
No,
The same
no,
clothes
no,
every day.
you don't
And
need
my fellow
you
students
like
has
you
still
like it, you turn it with it one. What?
Baby.
I found my key. And I found my key.
I do respect
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi, Joe.
respect you a lot
Key.
more if we
Joe.
What you looking at?
And candy.
Say hello? Yes. Tell mommy say
Baby Dalbon, could you stop?
I'm freezing. Yes, I'm cold.
Doesn't hold the camera?
Yes,
You gotta sit down over here. You
Yes.
gotta sit down.
You cold?
Baby Dalbon.
Hmm?
I'm here.
Jola.
I'm here. Baby Dalbon. Baby
Say
Dalbon.
hi, Jola.
Baby Dalbon. She's so interesting in the camera. Baby
I
Dalbon.
know she wants that
Baby
camera.
Dalbon.
Hi, Mama. Hi. I used to have a baby as small as you. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Maddie said that's enough. Maddie, push her off.
Mommy, here. Can I hold
Maddie
her?
said that's enough. No, don't. No.
Can I hold her?
Maddie said no.
Mommy, can I hold her?
Leave her.
Can I hold her, Mommy? What? You go.
Say hi to Jola.
Can I hold her, Mommy?
You nice.
Jaxson, move.
Don't take her sock off. What are you doing with her sock?
Can I hold her, Mommy?
Hold it. So today we did nothing. Well, Honey went to go renew his thing for his medical card for his driving. My sister just left, so we get to I got to hang out with the precious little baby, and the kiddos are outside playing. Maddie's somewhere around here. I don't have to cook dinner because I ordered pizza for them, and there's leftover. My husband might cook something later because he's famous for that. But around 8 o'clock, he's gonna be like, "What's for dinner?" What?
You know, you can go in my room and get the little
So,
spiky ball. Yeah,
this is gonna be it for the vlog today.
Yep.
And I will see you guys, today is what, Monday? I will see you guys on Wednesday. And please remember, I don't post on Fridays anymore. So it's Monday and Wednesdays. Only 2 days out of the week that I post now. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a sunshine. And I will talk to you guys on Wednesday. Bye.